Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have VIVO Watch GT2 and today I'm going to show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. So let's get started. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the home screen to open the quick panel. And once you scroll through this panel, you will see the alarm icon. Tap on it and it will open the alarm menu. And as you can see, I don't have any alarms yet, and we can add the alarm by tapping on Add Alarm, set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, then tap on Next. And here we can choose how often the alarm should go off, and we have only once, so it will go off once and won't repeat again. Then we have every day, it will repeat every day, and the custom option allows you to basically pick specific days for the alarm to go off. And then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, the alarm was created, and now we can turn it on. We can turn it on and off by tapping on the switch. We can add multiple alarms if you want to by adding another one. You can also remove the alarms by tapping on the alarm, scrolling down and tapping on delete. And you can also edit the alarm. So if you tap on the alarm, you can change the set time, repeat option, and snooze option. And snooze allows you to pick 5, 10, and 15 minutes. Oh, also 30 minutes. Okay. And basically that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.